everyone. Welcome back to Speak with Hailey. I'm Hailey, and this is your daily American English show. Every day, real life, real English. Let's go! Okay, so yesterday we talked about our morning routines, and I mentioned that I love my morning coffee. So today, Leo and I are at Starbucks, and we are both going to order, separately, which means you are going to hear two very different orders. One very smooth, one not so smooth. I'll let you guess which is which. This is such a useful episode because if you live in America or you visit America, you will go to a coffee shop. And knowing what to say makes everything so much easier. If you're new here, subscribe. New episode every single day. Okay, let's get our coffee. Okay, I'm here with Leo. Leo, where were you? I've been waiting.
I was on time. I was just outside for a minute, looking at the menu through the window, preparing myself.
You were nervous about ordering, weren't you?
The menu is very long, Hailey.
Okay, everyone. Today, we are going to order coffee at Starbucks, in English. And we are going to show you exactly what to say, from walking in to picking up your drink. Real American phrases. Real Starbucks language. Let's do this. Before we order, 5 phrases. Real American coffee shop phrases. Listen carefully. You will hear all 5 in our orders. Ready? Can I get means the most natural way to order in America. Can I get a medium latte? For here or to go. Means eat inside or take away. Is that for here or to go? What size? Means tall, grande, or venti. What size would you like? Make it a means to add or change something. Can you make it a oat milk? That'll be means the cashier tells you the price. That'll be $5.50.
Wait, you don't say I would like? You just say can I get?
In America, can I get is the most natural, most common way to order. You'll hear it everywhere. I would like is correct too, but can I get sounds more casual and more American. Remember that.
Okay, can I get some confidence? Is that on the menu?
Leo. Okay, let's order. I'll go first, then Leo. Listen carefully for all 5 phrases. Here we go. Hi, can I get a grande oat milk latte, please?
Sure, hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Is that for here or to go?
For here, please. Oh, can you make it an extra shot? Thank you.
Of course. Can I get a name for the order?
Hailey.
Perfect. That'll be $6.75.
And that's it. Simple, polite, natural. Can I get for here or to go? Can you make it? That'll be. Did you catch all 5 phrases? Perfect. Now, Leo's turn.
Okay, I'm ready. I practiced. This is fine. Hi, can I get, okay, can I get a big coffee? The big one. Grande? No, wait. Venti. Venti. The biggest one.
Sure. What kind of drink?
Coffee. Just regular coffee. Actually, can I get the one with the caramel? The sweet one. With the whipped cream on top.
A caramel macchiato?
Yes, that one. That's the one. Can you make it extra sweet? And extra caramel? And can I get extra whipped cream?
For here or to go?
To go, please. Wait, actually for here.
Name for the order?
Leo. L-E-O. In case it's hard to spell.
That'll be $8.75.
$8.75. For coffee. Okay. Worth it.
Leo, you did it! It was a little chaotic, but you used can I get. You used make it. You used for here or to go. You did great!
I said Leo, just in case.
Okay, everyone, let's go through the 5 phrases. Did you catch them both times? Number 1, can I get? This is the phrase for ordering in America. Not I want, not give me, not even I would like, although that's fine too. But the most natural, most American way is, can I get a? Use this every single time you order anything. Coffee, food, anything. Can I get is your best friend.
I used it first thing. Can I get a big coffee? Very smooth.
You said the big one. But yes, you used can I get. Good. Number 2, for here or to go. The cashier will ask you this every single time in America. For here means you sit inside. To go means you take it with you. Simple. Just decide before you get to the counter.
I decided. Eventually.
Number 3, what size? At Starbucks, the sizes are tall, grande, and venti. Small, medium, large. Just remember, tall is small, grande is medium, venti is large. A little confusing, but you'll remember it fast. Number 4, make it a. This is how you customize your order. Can you make it oat milk? Can you make it iced? Can you make it extra sweet? Leo used this a lot. Maybe too much.
Extra caramel is not too much. Extra caramel is a lifestyle.
And number 5, that'll be. The cashier says this to tell you the price. That'll be $6.25. You just say thank you and pay. Easy. Now, let's hear both orders one more time. A little faster. You know the words. Just relax and listen. My order. Hi, can I get a grande oat milk latte, hot, for here please? Can you make it light ice? That's it. Thank you. Simple, smooth, confident.
My order. Can I get a venti caramel macchiato, extra sweet, extra caramel, extra whipped cream, to go? Name's Leo. Leo. Also smooth, just a different kind of smooth.
Now, your turn. Pause this video right now and practice your Starbucks order out loud in English. I'll give you the question. What is your Starbucks order? Use the phrase, can I get? Great job! Here's mine. Can I get a grande oat milk latte, hot, for here please? Now try yours and write your order in the comments below. I want to know what you would order at Starbucks. I read every single comment.
And if you order something with extra caramel, we are already best friends.
You did amazing today. You heard 2 real coffee shop orders in American English. You learned 5 real Starbucks phrases. And you practiced your own order out loud. Next time you walk into a coffee shop, you will know exactly what to say. I am so proud of you. Every day a little better. That's how it works.
And even if your order is a little chaotic, the coffee still comes out great. Trust me.
That's it for today. If this helped you even a little, please subscribe. It really means a lot. See you tomorrow with more English tips. Keep speaking, keep smiling. Bye-bye.
Later, everyone. I'm going to go drink my $8 coffee now. Worth every penny.